But looking here, we got, yeah, no SMT at the highs, only SMT at the lows right now from market open. So, yeah, looking bullish. Got a 15-minute change in the state of delivery. I do still want to be patient here a little bit. But yeah, clean buy side up here, 694. We'll just call it 695. Buy side up here as well. Minor buy side of 522. Gonna go ahead and mark out OTE of this leg here. Little unicorn in here. We got a breaker overlapping an inefficiency inside of OTE. This would be a pretty decent trade setup. I would be open, I think, to longing if we can get down into here. See if we can get something like that. But reasons for that trade would be bullish SMT at the lows with NQ and ES. And obviously now, huge displacement up after running these lows. And bullish change in the state of delivery here. Now on a 15-minute chart. Obviously 30-minute and 1 hour has yet to close. So, and then looking for retracement to discount of the range, OT of the range. Grabbing a fair value gap entry inside of OT. Hopefully we get something like that. Give us the pullback, baby. Come on. Back that truck on up. Oh no. No. It's going, boys. No. Wow. Wow. Hello. Hey. Jesus Christ. Ouch. Wow. You guys see that? Look at that. Holy cow. We just came down and hit the new day opening gap. Let's see this thing bounce. Bounce like Shannon Sharp in the IG Live, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to news, boys. If we can return back to the high, I'm gonna remove risk. That was freaky. God, dude, I don't like that. On this XFA, I'm gonna go risk free. I just don't like that. Scared me kind of, to be honest. I'll keep it open on the eval. I don't like that it took the high first. That sucks. So I'm removing risk over here. I'm going to leave this on. Give it a, if it pulls back, let it, I guess. Sheesh. It would have been a lot nicer if it didn't take the high out first. We still have more buy side up here. But yeah. I can always enter again if I get stopped out of break even here and then price bounces. I mean, I'll look for like more displacement and a fair value gap to get in on like a 1 minute, but just to avoid disaster, like if this was a sweep and then we just reverse, I would really not like to take a loss over here today. Well, we're in it to win it now, boys. Prelim consumer sent, Gustavo. Medium impact. I know. What the fuck? Didn't act like medium impact. Well, you know what? If I would have been stopped out, that would have been a record fast stop out. So that'd have been kind of cool. Yeah, it could be. We could get TGIF today, Reclaimer. That'd be shorts though. So I don't know if we'll get it this morning or not. At this point, obviously, the hope is no, right? All right, I'm going to go ahead and just go risk-free on all of this, I guess. See if we can start getting some partials off as we trade up. Mm. Oops. I just took 2 micros off. I'm gonna take 2 more off as we trade above this high here. It's getting a little itchy. Wanted to do something. You know what I mean? Buy side 522 and a quarter. See ES, yeah, ES is lagging behind. Oh. Slowing up. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give it like a beat here. Oops. It's closing nice. Okay. Hopped out over here. Watch it. It'll fly now. But ended up with 68. We'll call it, let's call it 69 points, boys. We'll call it 69 points. 69. A little under 1 to 2. It should, I think it'll still go, obviously, but just in case it wants to fucking do a big retracement, we secured it. So GG's if you guys caught that long as well. If you guys took profit or holding, took partials, hopefully at least. Not too shabby, boys. Guess what? That means we get to celebrate. Oh, yeah. Hey, guess what? I even got a new one for you, boys. It might be familiar.
Mufasa, you know we finally here, right? Well, it's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday. Hey, hey,
There we go, boys. Just had to get the vibes going. There we go. Just had to get the vibes going. Come on now. Oh, maybe not. Spoke too soon. Scared it. Come on, little fella. Come on, little fella. You can do it. Get that old ass Sevitors in the end zone. We got to win this thing. Come on. No. 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 Oh, God. Why? What the hell? Really? No. Oh, God. What's going on? Really? Really? Oh, boy. I don't know. I am so glad I exited when I did over here. Thank the Lord. TGIF loading? Not yet, hopefully. Maybe. Macro's done. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I find it hard to believe we're just going to generate this and leave it, bro. No way. Especially when we got buy side right above there as well here. Come on. Don't do that to us. That's going to fuck with our OCD tonight. Just give it to us. Come on. Come on. No. Yeah, Pandora. That's actually a good point. This is 3 Green Fridays in a row. We might have flipped the tide, boys, on Fridays. I knew we'd get it eventually. I was cursed there for about 2 months, though. Literally, like 7 out of 8 Fridays were red. But the nice thing is it was usually after like really good and green like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday was just like the default destruct day. So, but yeah, it's nice to be on the other side. Going into the weekend with some smiles for a change. About to inverse here. Not trying to jinx us. There we go. Inversion complete. Let's run it. Let's run it. What do you say, market makers? What do you say? Let's have a day, NQ. Let's keep this rally going. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Daddy's trying to secure a funded on Top Step X and join the cool kids club. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's get going. A little over halfway there. Come on. Let's go. Come on, guy. Let's go. Wake up. Market's moving like Joe Biden at 4 p.m. There. Okay. Okay, we got another partial off, boys. My next partial is going to be not too long after, 522 and a quarter. Just, well, I'll just market execute, I guess. Nah, screw it. Take him off now. Take him off now. We're gonna leave. You know, I want to leave 3. I want to leave 3. Give it a second here. I want to leave 3 to run to possibly the wrong one. Possibly to whatever. I keep forgetting what that level is. Was it 6? That was like 690 something. Yeah, 694. Yeah. Let's go ahead and honestly, no. Even better yet. We'll leave 2. We'll leave 2. 1100 secured for that. With 2 that could do anything, boys. We're risk free. And yeah, that final target could be a nice bonus if we can get up there. Let me go ahead and do something like that. Something like that. So, yeah, man, all around good good Friday. Not at all do I wish I was still holding this. I am more than content with that. That's fantastic. Nice, I mean, scary entry, honestly, especially with that news coming out. Like, when I saw the news candle immediately go up, I'm like, oh no, we're going to get left behind. And then it starts wicking right back after taking out the high. I'm like, am I an idiot for not canceling this limit order right now? So it was scary. I'm not going to lie to you. But she held true. Thankfully. Thankfully, it was because it was so quick, we were not in drawdown any more than like 2 seconds. So, yeah. Not too shabby, boys. Let's see if this wants to maybe continue a little bit. Yeah, it's really just kind of a bonus if it can run now. But, you know, if it doesn't, that's fine as well. Obviously, we were kind of anticipating a TGIF to happen at some point. So if it wants to reverse now, well, that's fine. I'm basically sacrificing the few hundred of open profit for the potential for something like this. But if it reverses, it reverses. So we'll keep an eye on that. But all is good for now. All is good for now. All right, boys. Looking like TGIF is coming in hot. But yeah, good trade, and gave it the ability to run very, very low 2 micros, right? On any runner possibility. But yeah, we kind of not surprised by this whatsoever.